Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this device. You can uninstall applications on this watch in two ways. First method is to do it directly from the watch, and the second method is to do it from the GARMIN Connect IQ Store application. First I'm gonna show you how to do it from the watch. So you will need to press the Start/Stop button to open the favorites menu. Here you will need to find the application you want to uninstall. Press and hold on it to open this menu. Now scroll all the way down, find the option called Delete App from Device, tap on it, and then tap on Confirm. And now the app is removed from our watch. And to do it via the application, open the GARMIN Connect IQ application on your phone. Tap on My Device right here. Check My Device apps. And here we have the list of apps installed and not installed on our watch. Select the app you want to uninstall. Tap on Uninstall button. And as you can see, the app was removed from our watch. And we can close the app. And that's how you uninstall applications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.